Alright, I'm gonna let you guys watch this video. I've been sent this video, and like I get sent a lot of videos that I have to see this, but here's the educational part. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this, and then I'm going to chime in on what not to do and what you should do if you come upon a case like this, or if you are in your own home and you are presented with this situation. I'm going to tell you how to do this and how to handle your business, how to take care of somebody and possibly save somebody's life.
Man, this is crazy. The fire department getting... Did it... Is that... Oh, fuck, man. What the hell? If I go out there... Oh, God, this lady about to go out there and it's gonna attack him. Then I gotta go out here now. Thank you. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh. Fuck. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. No problem, man. This fucking dog's sick. This fucking dog's sick. And I know dogs get bit. Miss Lucas, go! Go in the house. Oh, Jesus. Hey! Hey, no, hey, get her in the house, bro. Get her in the house. Now, quick. Get her in the house. Hurry up and get her in the fucking house. The fuck is wrong with you? That nigga's a fucking Jesus. Fuck you on the dog. Kill her too, nigga. Oh. Call 911. Please. Hold on. Let me get out of her driveway. Oh, yeah, I'm calling 911 right now. Fuck. Let me get out of her driveway. That shit tired me out just fighting a dog unless he got you. Let me call the ambulance, because you're the government, bro. I ain't going nowhere right here. Thank you. Yeah. You work for the government, bro.
Disturbing, isn't it? Very disturbing. I had to turn the volume down on for you guys because, oh, it's too much. Too much. First of all, if that was me, I came upon this incident where the mailman is being eaten up by a dog. We did not see the damage that was done, but I can tell you from being bit twice in my arm, well, by one dog at one time, but it went in twice to rip it up. It happened fast. I knew what to do, so it kept it from being this bad. But that guy, he's got a lot of damage, okay? In his hand, his arm, his leg. A lot of damage, because I know what happened to mine. Their job is to go in, paralyze you by ripping things up, okay? We bred these dogs to go in and take down 2,000-pound bulls, all right? Their job was to take them, get a hold of them, and hang on and rip apart things to paralyze the bull. And no outward stimuli can stop them. Okay, so you see this, the genetics playing out right before you with this dog here. Perfect example. All right, he's fixated. He's on his victim. He's doing his job. Okay, his dopamine is being released. He is loving every second of this. All right, I know people can't stand to hear that, but that's what we bred them for. It is our fault. All right, and so we're putting these dogs in our homes and we're not giving them jobs to do. If anything triggers, they release something, it feels good, and they go harder at it. All right, try your best to stop being so blind to this genetic that we have bred. All right, it's just like breeding beagles. That beagle, if it never was put out in outside world to hunt, you let him out, I guarantee you he's going to do some type of hunting, even though you do not want him to. We bred these dogs to do this job, and they are so good at it. Give them the credit that they deserve. Unfortunately, it's very traumatic if they do what we bred them to do, especially to an innocent person, an innocent child, an innocent dog, or another animal. Okay, so but we got to take accountability and responsibility for what we've created them to do. All right, so here's the plan. Here's what you do. If that was me, I'm going to give you from where I come from. I'm driving down the road. I see this happening. I will instantly, because I am a fight person. I'm not a flight, and I understand there's a lot of flight people. Okay, I get it. Don't get in the way then. Somebody needs to be there that knows how to fight. All right, instantly I will jump out. I will holler for a belt, or I'll look in my car. I will not panic. I will just tell people who are panicking to get the hell out of the way. Get out of my way. Give me a belt and I will wrap it up around that dog's neck and I will choke him out. A dog that cannot breathe cannot bite. Okay? And another thing you have to understand is that dog is not coming after you. He has his victim. He has what he wants and he's not going to let go. So you need to go ahead and choke him out and get him out of there and get that victim to the hospital. Okay? Get people who are panicking away from you, but choke him out. Now, if the choking out does not happen, it's not working, I carry for those reasons right there. Okay? One of those reasons. I'm going to shoot the dog. But you better know how to shoot. You better know how to make sure that there is no one in the way. But I'm shooting the dog in the head. All right? So that's one way of doing it. But I'm hoping that I can do the first part. Choke them out. If you have a problem that happens in your home, your dog attacks something, choke them out. Get something and choke them out, okay? And hang on tight. Don't let go until the brain has released that fixation. All right? You will see it. You will see it happen. It has to be a complete follow through. You choke them out, let them off a little bit, let it relax a little bit, let the brain, see the brain's locked in. What you want to look for is that brain to relax, to stop being so obsessed. Okay? But that is my advice to you guys, part of my education for you guys. But if you have any other questions, comment, ask me, and I'll help you out as much as I can. But at least do something. Do something. Whatever they did, don't do what they did. Don't hit the dog. You're only making it worse. Choke him out. Shoot his ass. Sorry, I did not mean to say that, but I am so serious. It is a human being, an innocent human being that is a mail carrier. No different than a kid walking down the street. Come on, it's an innocent person and your dog is destroying his body parts. Okay? Do something. Do something. But not what this video is showing. These people did everything wrong. Okay, whew, sorry, got my emotions all up. Anyways, comment if you have any more questions.